Hey, welcome to the show. Every year I make a video reviewing the SmartLav Plus, the Samsung USB connector, and the newest Galaxy phone, and that is the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Right now I am recording with this setup right now. So, so far I've been really happy with how everything is connecting. I've had no issues with that. If you want to check out my other videos, I have a lot of math videos on my channel, and all those videos I'm using the Galaxy S22 Ultra set up with the Rode SmartLav, and I'm filming in this this environment right here. And right now you're hearing the audio from the Rode Lav Plus, but right now I'm going to switch off that. I'm going to let you hear the audio from the Sony ZV-1 camera right now. You can hear my son in the background. He's always singing. There's a heater vent that sounds like somebody's hitting a hammer to it. Now you can hear the audio with the Rode SmartLav Plus, a lot of names to remember, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Right now I'm recording with that. I'm going to be doing some other audio tests throughout this video. I'm going to have it in the car and outside and walking around so you can hear it. But right now I have no issues. I'm using this program right here. I'm going to kind of go back here. It's a voice recorder. I use that all the time to record the audio. So with this setup, you'll notice that here's my audio levels right here. And I have been looking in the Galaxy S23 Ultra to see if I can increase the microphone level, and I don't have an idea of how to do that. I will look at some different other options, but if you have an option of how to increase the microphone level, please leave it down in the comments below. Otherwise, when I'm putting this in my video editing program, like Sony Vegas, I have to just kind of increase the level just a little bit. But otherwise, I've been very satisfied with the audio playback. All right, right now we're going to go and do some more audio tests. And all right, let's do it. All right, right now I am recording with the audio just from the Galaxy S23 Ultra right now. And the car is not on, so we're going to switch over to the Rode Lav Plus. All right, right now I am recording. I have the Lav right here. Hey, back there. Have a little moment of silence, which is very rarely. But right now I am recording with the Rode Lav Plus. I don't know if it's smart, but Rode Lav Plus and the Galaxy S23 Ultra. All right, let's go on to do some more testing. All right, we are, my little buddy and I, we're walking in into the Hy-Vee parking lot right now.
No.
Got cars driving.
We're walking through the Hy-Vee.
Using the SmartLav Plus. All right. We're gonna go try to find supper.
Yeah, and a cookie maybe.
We're gonna have cookies for supper. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show today. If you have any comments, just go ahead and leave them in the comments down below. But also, please, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. I think it's right over here, or maybe it's over here. But I would love if you hit subscribe, and like always, have a fun day. Adios.